Managing them low notes, they got a reputation for being real problematic, slow to respond and all that. But you know, a lot of it's us, we the player, you know, we players, we're part of it. Because the low notes take a new technique, a different technique. You got to use the nyah nyah tongue tap. If you do that, listen. Watch what happens with diaphragm alone. They respond slow. They respond slow because they have a lot of mass. So when you talk, the whole time you're talking, you're using your tongue. Same with the harmonica. Get down there and use that nyah nyah shape of the tongue tap. Listen. Similar stuff with just the diaphragm. That's what happens when your lips are wet on a frictionless mouthpiece. You can't move the mouthpiece. I'm really having to work just to do it at that level. Look how much easier it is for me with the nyah nyah tongue tap. Versus diaphragm only. I'm getting more buzzes. The reed's responding slowly. It's just physics. So, looks like if you really want a good attack on the note, nyah 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 nyah, the nyah nyah attack on the note.